What's up, guys? Today we're gonna do blackcat canister shells. 24 extra large canisters. These are 6-inch shells. I don't know. I mean, when you get 4 and 5-inch shells, you know, it's like nice. You know, you go 5, but once you go to 6, it's like, I don't know. Why do it really? But I get their reasoning for this. These are pretty interesting shells. These are 6-inch. Okay, you got 12 double breaks in there and 12 that are mines. So I guess you can kind of say why they put the 6 on those. I guess it kind of justifies it a little bit. Like I said, blackcat. Here's your effects on the back, and they're all labeled. Go down all the effects. Another good thing is they're all different also, so you get 24 different effects, which is really nice, which is awesome. So what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to take 6 double break shells and 6 mine shells and fan them apart. So we'll do 6 on the right, 6 on the left. Let's take these out. Bear with me here, I got one hand. This box doesn't stay up straight, so I'm trying to hold this while I do that. These are number 2 also, so let's see. I got 1 through 12 right there, and so 1 through 12. See, they're not really numbered here on this, so I'm going to have to break it down to see what it does. Alright, like I said, I'm going to do 6 double breaks to the left and 6 of the mines to the right. Alright guys, this is what we're going to do with the blackcat PATRIOT 6-inch shells. Okay, they're numbered, which is really cool. So we got 7 through 12, and the 1 through 6, and the 7 through 12 are the double break ones. And these, the last 12 are, I think they're the mine ones. I'm trying to figure that out right now. Yeah. And the last 12 are mines. So I picked 7 through 12, which are the double breaks, because I liked the way they sounded more than the 1 through 6. And then we have here 19 through 24. Okay, and these are the mines, and I like the way these look better too. So I'm going to do 6 to the left, 6 to the right. So the 1 through, the 7 through 12, we're going to do those on the left, and these we'll put on the right. So the mines will be on the right. And I like crackle, but I like when it's all crackle, not just when you have a bunch of like brocades and some stars and then they throw a little crackle in there. I really like that so much. But this one looks pretty good, number 8. Got crackle to a crackle, which sounds really cool. So that should be pretty good. You can see the effects. Hope you guys can see that. Alright, so let me fuse this up and we'll see how they look. Blackcat. Alright guys, here it is. Blackcat shells, 6-inch shells. One's on the right and the one's on the left. I'm trying to get this stuff right off. Oh yeah!
Nailed it!
Yeah! Was that so cool? Wow, he was.
You're hitting here.
Yeah.
inside now? Alright, Ma. What do you think in there? He's gonna do one more thing. I'm just gonna film it.